Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you a positive perspective of why quarantine life could be a good thing. Hear me out, and later when I'm done with explaining everything and presenting my points and all the advices that have helped me, let's discuss it. By the way, hi, I'm Desislava. You'll probably be saving more money during this quarantine time. Why? Because everything is closed, you're staying at home, and yeah, I know that many businesses are suffering right now. It's a very difficult time for numerous people, but if you look at the bright side, you can even get used to spending less. This is so good for the planet. There are no ferries, no planes, nothing. Carbon emissions are sinking in. We were made to realize how precious are our elders and how much we have to cherish them and to protect them and to take care of them and to think about them first before anything else. Oh my god, what about all the creative cooking you're doing right now? I'm learning all those new recipes, I'm sharing them with my friends. It's definitely good time to declutter. Clean out all the things that you've put aside and told yourself that you use or you get rid of sometime in the future. That time is right now. Feel even proud of yourself for doing that because you're fixing the space that you love and this space that you feel safe in. Think about all the things that you've wanted to try. Start the course that you've been waiting for, online of course. Start writing again, drawing or music or just relaxing in a way that you've never got the chance before. Your greatest power is your perspective. It can victimize you or empower you. It's a way of looking all the upside, downside of every situation and realizing that there are some things that are just out of your control. It's okay for them to be that way. Your best ally right now is to find opportunity in all the difficulties. Develop an attitude for gratitude. Ask yourself, what are you grateful for? The people you love, the space you have, the health you have, the support you get, the opportunity to breathe, to move, to think. It's all the small, all the big things, all put together. Stop, ask ourselves, and realize that there so much more to be grateful for than we realize. Even make a list. Write all those things, sit, read them a few times, even meditate on them, and soak all of it in and seize your blessings. Give yourself pep talks. Just pat yourself on the back. You did good today. You've managed to do this and this and this. You are amazing at that. You are so positive. You are so and so and so and so. Focus on the tall comings, not on the shortcomings you think you have. Make it a habit of throwing modesty out of the window. Give yourself a fist bump. Be chancy. Take small risks. Try new things that you're afraid of or never thought you could try them. Start a new hobby, develop a new skill. Be chancy, take a chance in yourself, with yourself. Push away the survivor fear. Focus on all the things that you could do and the pleasure that it will bring you. Mother Nature had equipped us with the negative bias in order to make us resilient, and in that way we have developed this skill of overestimating the threat and underestimating ourselves in how we can manage to survive this threat. The key is to appreciate the anxiety intent we have and to use it, not to let it use us. As the world outside gets more and more out of control, Appreciate the heaven you have inside your home, the safe space you have. Take it in. Be grateful for it. Prepare yourself with future plans that bring you joy, but no stress. And believe that it will soon come to be. Let's ask ourselves a few questions every single day. What am I grateful for? Who am I checking on today? Who am I connecting with today? What expectations of today, of normal, am I letting go of? How am I getting outside today? How am I moving my body? What beauty am I creating, cultivating, developing? I've tried that for a few days now and it gives me a perspective. I believe that we'll stay on track and not let our negative thoughts run our lives. Start a delight diary. Rules. Write a delight every day. Draft them quickly without thinking too hard on it. Always by hand. I believe that if it comes from your own hand, written by your own fingers, the feeling is so much closer to your heart. That will develop in us this delight rather. Pick up all the delights so much easier, so much quicker, even if you're not a diary person. This acronym, STOP. Just remember it. S is for stop. Stop when you realize that you are getting into a panic mode, in a worry mode, and take a moment. T, it's for taking a breath. Breathe it in, relax your mind as well. Feel your feet on the ground. O, observe. Observe what is happening in your mind, in your body. Is your stomach hurting? Is your heart racing? Ask yourself, how am I feeling right now? Describe the feeling, not good or bad. Use adjectives. Use specific words. I know it's hard. It's hard for me as well. It will bring you back in the moment. And P is to proceed. It's proceeding the information, what you can do, and how to continue on. Talk with somebody close. Have a time of quietness for yourself. I've collected for a while now some links, some websites, topics and interviews, everything that you can imagine that helps me with passing time. I would like to share them with you. All the links will be down below as well. It's learning about the perspective of 5 people in quarantine around the world. Listen to some podcasts is the next advice. And a few podcasts I've been following are all in the same link down below as well. UCLA is presenting an opportunity to follow along a meditation class. It's for everyone that loves or would like to try meditation. iNaturalist is giving opportunity to everyone to share the nature around them. You can take a photo, share it and discuss it, and you can see very, very beautiful places and the mother nature in its best. Natural sounds and the night sky. It gets this feeling of calmness inside of me. And 50 life skills that I could never mention fast enough, all down below in one link. And just like me, we can all get inspired to do something new. Duolingo is this site where you learn freely any kind of language that you would like. So why not try it right now? Painting a professional drawing while drinking wine and doing it while learning from a professionalist. So there is this site that gives you the opportunity to do that. Wanna get the feeling of what is exactly being an astronaut? That. I would like to share it. Please check it out, it's amazing. It's the web? I don't know. You have many options of avant-garde topics and inspiration, many more. This is the biggest realization that I had while in quarantine. When all the distractions are taken from you, you are not left empty. You are left with the opportunity to fill this void with whatever you would like. when you feel like there is nothing and you've been robbed of all the things that you love, that you're used to doing, that you think that you can't live without. This free space, fill it up, but with creativity, with mindfulness, love and respect and appreciation for life itself, for all the people that you love dearly. Wow, I can do something right now. I have no other option, really. I'm so bored. Why don't I get once again into writing, into making videos, of taking pictures, of painting, of singing, of trying to learn a new language? Absence doesn't create chaos. It creates opportunity. Use that opportunity. Did I manage to persuade you to believe that quarantine life could be fun, could be awesome? Do you have anything else? Any kind of advice? Something that I've missed that you would like for me to try? For everyone else that is watching this, or writing, or discussing, to try as well? What have worked for you? What mistakes have you made and learned from them? This is just as valuable for me hearing. Every situation is not what is given to you. It is what you make out of it. So let's make this situation amazing. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, see the previous ones I've made already. Let's discuss. Let's share opinion. Let's share advices. If you want to support me and you would like to see more, like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions of what I should do next, hit me up. You can follow me on my Facebook page, in my Instagram account, it's all written here, or in the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye!